In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the demo company in Xero step by step. If you're new to Xero, practicing for a certification, or just want to explore features without affecting your real data, the demo company is the perfect place to start. It gives you a fully populated sample organization so you can test reports, transactions, invoices, and settings safely. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can access it in less than a minute. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to xero.com. Then log into your Xero account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. This is where you normally see your business overview, bank accounts, invoices, and financial summary. Now, to access the demo company, look at the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see your current organization name displayed there. It might say something like My Business or whatever name you've given your company. Click on that organization name. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down, select the option that says Change Organization. This will open a list of all the organizations connected to your Xero account. If you have multiple businesses, you'll see them listed here. Now carefully look through the list for Demo Company. And depending on your region, it may say something like Demo Company US, Demo Company UK, Demo Company AU, or another country version. The demo company is automatically available to most Xero users, so you typically don't need to create it manually. Once you find demo company in the list, simply click on its name. As soon as you click it, Xero will switch you from your current organization into the demo company environment. You'll know you're inside the demo company because the organization name at the top left will now say Demo Company. Inside, you can freely explore all features. You can create invoices, reconcile bank transactions, run financial reports, add bills, test payroll features if available in your region, and even experiment with settings. The best part is that if you ever want to reset the data, Xero allows you to refresh the demo company so you can start over with clean sample data again. This makes it perfect for training, testing workflows, or following along with tutorials without risking real financial information. When you're done working in the demo company and want to switch back to your actual business, simply repeat the same process. Click the organization name in the top left corner, choose Change Organization, and then select your real business from the list. It's that simple. Being comfortable switching between organizations is an important skill in Xero, especially if you manage multiple clients or businesses. And that's how you access the demo company in Xero, quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Xero tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides to help you master your accounting software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.